Hello and welcome to the Indian Springs baseball program. My name is Coach Dunnigan. I wanted to take a second today to walk you through the athletic clearance packet which each player will need to complete prior to trying out for the baseball program. So please, whether you're a parent or a player, please take a second to watch this introductory video so that it makes it a little easier when completing the packet.
As you can see, this is a copy of the athletic clearance information packet which must be completed by each player prior to participation. As you read through this, you'll see here at the top there are three sections which must be completed and submitted, which make up the packet. First part being the pre-participation physical evaluation history form, which is completed by the parent. Second part being the pre-participation physical evaluation physical examination form, which is completed by the doctor. And the third part being the athleticClearance.com confirmation page, which is completed by both parent and player alike. So as you complete these sections, these are examples of the sections once they are completed with signatures attached as well. You'll collect these three sections and to submit them to the athletic trainer, and he will give you this here clearance card, which must be handed over to the coach before trying out or any on-field activities. So go ahead and go through that. That'll explain those three sections just in a brief summary, and we'll go ahead and go through the rest of the packet. This is the second page of the athletic clearance packet. This acts as instructions for completion of the required materials. It actually shows you step by step of how to complete each section of the packet, as well as down here how to add additional sports on the athleticClearance.com prior to printing the confirmation page. This just makes it a little bit easier if your student or you yourself happens to be playing another sport, whether it be baseball and basketball or any two combinations of sports or multiple combinations of sports. Just makes it a little bit easier when completing that and just doing it once rather than having to do it multiple times. This is the third page of the athletic clearance packet. It's the history form, which is completed by the parent. As you go through, you'll see 70 questions, which range from have you ever been denied or restricted participation in any sports for any reason, over to have you ever considered exercise to be the most important thing in your life. So as you go through this, any examples that you check yes, they just ask that you please explain the yes answers with corresponding number. So give the reason why, and then also note the number for that question. That's the part that's often missed by many students and needed to be completed. So once you have this completed, go ahead and add the signature of the athlete as well as the signature of the parent or guardian. Date in this section of the packet is complete. This is the fourth and final page of the physical examination packet. This is the actual physical examination form, which must be completed by the student's physician. We do ask that all players have this actual form when having their physical completed, as our athletic trainer prefers that all players use the same one for continuity purposes. Please ensure that the date is accurate at the top right hand corner. All signatures are present, as well as the stamp at the bottom right hand corner, as these are necessary to clear the student for activity. Third and final section, which must be completed to clear each player for participation, is the confirmation page on athleticClearance.com. You'll find this by first entering athleticClearance.com into your browser, creating an account, and following the necessary steps which are mentioned here. Be sure to include the insurance company name and insurance number, as well as all necessary signatures. Once the page is completed, print it out and sign it at the bottom with pen. Make sure that parent and student both sign the bottom, and that will complete the packet. Once you have all three of those sections complete, staple them together and submit them to our athletic trainer, Mr. Norton, in his office, which is located behind the PE locker room. So once you have those completed, you'll be cleared for activity. Get that green slip, submit it to me, Coach Dunnigan, in the PE locker room, and you'll be cleared for activity. We really do look forward to seeing you out there.
Thank you for watching this introductory video. Hopefully it makes it a little bit easier for you to complete those packets and get those submitted. We look forward to meeting every player and parent. We pride family, and we look forward to building that relationship with every single one of you. Have a good one, and hopefully we see you out here on the baseball field as soon as possible. Have a good one.